Allow me to introduce the scoop. Now here's why I chose this one from Hamilton Beach. Number one, Hamilton Beach has been around since 1910. You probably have at least 3 small kitchen appliances in your kitchen right now that you've had forever that are made by Hamilton Beach. They've been around over 100 years, so they must be doing something right. I've never had a single issue with any of their products. But here's the real reason I chose this thing. Check it out. They don't call it the scoop for nothing. It's pretty much the same exact process as your favorite 1-cup coffee maker. There's no water reservoir. You just pour it in the back for each brew up to 16 ounces. Now, the beauty of it is no more throwaway plastic cups with barely enough grounds. You use the scoop. It actually has a double filter, so you don't have to worry about grinds getting in your coffee. I haven't had that problem at all. Just grab your favorite grounds. You're in control of how much grounds per cup, so ultimately you're controlling how strong it is and the flavor. You just pop it in, close it, press the button, and in no time you have a steaming hot cup of coffee. You do have to wait 2 minutes between brewing, but if that's your biggest problem, this thing's still a 10.
So I've plugged my machine in, added the coffee, as you can see. Added the water. When I press brew, there's no light that pops on. It does not brew. I've been waiting for 20 minutes for some coffee. Nothing in here. The coffee's not even wet. You can see that I have it plugged into the wall. Still nothing's going on. Wait, is that the light? Or is that just the reflection from... No, it's not the light. Just the reflection from my kitchen light. So nothing is happening.
If you are like me, then you have wasted far too much money paying for coffee at the corner store. But that's over now with the Scoop by Hamilton Beach. I've wanted an easy-to-use single-serve coffee maker for so long, and I'm glad to say that this machine gets the job done. It is awesome. I start by filling my cup up with water and pouring it in the back. Next, I add the ground coffee in the serving cup that comes with it. I like about 2 tablespoons. Then just close it up and hit brew. It does take about 2 to 3 minutes to fill, but it comes out delightfully hot. I sometimes will throw another splash of cold water in there just to cool it off, but it's not really needed. My one complaint may be that the max fill line for the grains is a bit hard to see inside this cup. Other than that, cleanup is pretty breezy. I will usually tap the grains in the trash before rinsing the rest under the sink with light soap. What can I say? It's easy to use. It's also easy to clean up, makes coffee fast, and saves money. I probably saved about $80 a month with it so far. I highly recommend. It's a life changer.